Hey guys, so in this video I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how I solved my Rubik's Cube. So yeah, step one, you're just gonna want to get a white cross. Should look something like this. And your next step is you're gonna want to match two colors in the middle on each side. So it should look something like this. Yeah, like this. So two greens, two reds, two blues, and then next step is you're gonna want to get a T-shaped of each color on each side. So it should look something like this. Like that. So it should be a T, T, T. And now after that, after you got the T, you're gonna want to go for the second layer on each side so that's like fully filled in. Right? It should be looking something like this. Okay, once you're done with the second layer, you're just gonna I usually just flip my Rubik's Cube over so that the white is on the bottom. So just flip it over. Now I'm gonna go for a yellow cross. So yellow, got my yellow cross on the top, and let's see. Next, you're just gonna want to match at least two colors in the middle on two of the sides. So just flip the top until you match two. So I just matched my my orange and my blue. So now I want to match red and green. Alright, so now my green and my red matches. Now I'm just gonna solve the rest of the cube. Okay. There we go, I solved the rest of the cube. And once you guys solve the cube, maybe you can go for like patterns and make it look like this. I think a lot of people, pretty awesome. Make it look like this. So yeah guys, there you go.